We were the first board in our space to implement a structured approach to buybacks in October 22, and we now have a very clear capital allocation policy that's growing income to shareholders through the progressive dividend, and a buyback policy that's both generating value and supporting the market in our shares, and enabling our managers to deploy significant capital into new investments to ensure that our trust is well positioned for the future. We do keep a keen eye on what peers are doing around the buybacks and capital allocation, and I note that many approaches have been tried. But for now, all the evidence I see suggests that our approach is proving itself to have long-term sustainable benefits. We're aware of the current discount, and it's across the listed private equity space as a whole. But that is materially below the recent secondary sale we did of a proportion of our portfolio at the end of last year, which sold at a 5.5% discount. My sense from talking to shareholders and working actively with Numis on our buybacks is demand for listed private equity remains subdued. However, I also sense that the market's quite inelastic. And when there's a pickup in demand, those current discounts, and ours in particular, might close quite aggressively and quite rapidly. So I think there's a very interesting opportunity to invest in this portfolio of private companies that's managed by a great and experienced team.